In a small, cramped house on the edge of town, young Charlie Bucket lived with his parents and four grandparents. The family was poor, and their meals were often meager. But Charlie's dreams were rich and filled with the sweet allure of chocolate. Every day, as he passed by Willy Wonka's mysterious factory, he imagined what wonders lay inside, dreaming of the day he might taste the legendary chocolate that everyone spoke of with such reverence. One day, the world buzzed with excitement as Willy Wonka, the enigmatic chocolatier, announced a contest that would change everything. 5 golden tickets were hidden in his chocolate bars, and the lucky children who found them would be granted a once-in-a-lifetime tour of his factory. The news spread like wildfire, and children everywhere clamored for a chance to uncover the golden ticket that would unlock the secrets of Wonka's world. As days passed, Charlie's hopes began to wane. One by one, 4 golden tickets were discovered by other children, each with their own peculiar flaws and personalities. Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet Beauregard, and Mike Teavee each found their tickets, leaving only one remaining. Charlie's heart sank as he watched the news, feeling his dreams slip further away with each announcement. On his birthday, Charlie's family scraped together enough money to buy him a special treat, 2 Wonka bars. With bated breath, Charlie unwrapped the bars, hoping against hope for a golden ticket. But alas, neither bar contained the coveted prize, and Charlie's heart ached with disappointment as he clung to the faint hope that his chance might still come. Fate intervened one cold afternoon when Charlie stumbled upon a coin glinting in the snow. With renewed hope, he rushed to the nearest shop and purchased one last chocolate bar. As he peeled back the wrapper, his heart leapt with joy and disbelief. There it was, the 5th golden ticket, shimmering in his hands. With the golden ticket secured, Charlie and his Grandpa Joe, who had always shared in his dreams, prepared eagerly for the adventure ahead. Their hearts were filled with excitement and wonder, imagining the marvels that awaited them inside Willy Wonka's fantastical factory. Together, they set off on a journey that promised to be as magical as the chocolate itself,